Hi, this is another video to show you how to get on the phonics program and take the pretest. So the first thing that you need to do is log into laleo.com and click login. Okay, then when you do that, you're going to get to this screen. And it says, I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I'm a parent. So you're going to click on I'm a student and then click the arrow. Okay, so the code of our school is VXJIPE. And so you're going to go to Rushoff 2019-2020 and you're going to find your name. And I'm going to go to the demo.
Hello, Explorer. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Before we begin, we'll do some training to know exactly where you are in your learning.
And this is where you do the pretest.
So that we can find the best starting point for you in the worlds of Lalila. When you're ready to begin, click on Let's Go. Listen carefully and click on the sound you hear. Brr.
And that is how you work on this website.